This is cabin 11268. It's a regular balcony cabin, and it's
our cabin.
So as you come in, you walk into the sort of living room area. Now this is a sofa that also converts to become a bed. And it does it in a really unique way. In fact, I'm going to give this to Lisa and I'm going to show you. There's a... oh, this one doesn't! Oh! And we were going to show you. They're really cool. When the sofas that do convert to be a bed, they raise up and it actually becomes bunk beds.
I'm going to have to tell you how to tell the difference.
All right, how do you tell the difference?
On the ones that convert to bunk beds, there is about this much space behind it.
Okay.
Like level with this.
Okay, all right.
That's how you can tell the difference.
So this one doesn't convert to be a bed, but I guess you can lay on it this way. All right. Over there is our closets. Mm-hmm. This side is drawers.
Ooh.
And shelves. Some shelves. There's a safe there, and we've got a couple drawers down there in the bottom. There's only 2, not 3. Okay, on this side is all hanging.
Yep.
All right. That's all of our video equipment in there. Place to put our shoes down there. This particular cabin has 2 adjoining cabins. That one and one on that side.
We could have a party.
We could have a party, but we're locking everybody out.
Yes.
Across from the sofa, really big TV for a cabin this size.
Yeah.
You've got power to European, 2 US, and 2 USB phone. You got a mini bar in here, or I should say a refrigerator. Let's see, is it stocked? Oh, it's stocked. Close that sucker up. Don't ever open that again. And then we have 3 drawers there. Here's a little table and a stool. Nice big mirror here, as well as over in front of the bed. Now the bed is either 2 twins or a king, depending on how you want it. Obviously, if it's a king, the 2 twins are put together. If you want them separated, one would be this way, one would be that way, and one of the nightstands goes in the middle. There is only 1 USB charging port, which is right there. Okay, nice padded headboard, like the artwork in here. Nice decor overall.
Yeah, it is.
Very calming.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
But then there's the balcony. Oh, let's go see the balcony, shall we? Oh, yeah. Decent sized balcony. We feel the rooms on these ships, MSC ships, are slightly bigger than some of the cabins that we've seen on other ships. As you see, we overlook below. Those are the junior suites down there that you see with all those balconies. And they're cleaning today, so you see all the ropes. They're rappelling. It's kind of neat. Anyway, but you see how far in we are from the side of the ship, right? So just think of how many more cabins they could have had if they went out to the edge of the ship. We've talked about that before when we were on the last MSC ship.
I like that they don't do that.
I do too. I do too. Then we have the bathroom. It's a step up, as most cabins. The only ones that are flat are the accessibility cabins. All
Agreed.
right, so we're going to give this to Lisa. It's a decent sized bathroom. We've seen some bigger. We've seen a lot smaller. A little area to move around in here. The toilet's actually in a great position for someone my size. It's 6'4". Okay, and there's plenty of shoulder room in here as well. So if you're a little more on the fluffy side, there's plenty of room in here. Nice, solid, sort of surface one-piece sink area going on here with a soap dispenser. You got a couple cups, a couple shelves, makeup mirror on this side. They're doing the makeups, and a nice sort of wraparound mirror here. You can store stuff down there as well, your trash, right? And then we have the shower, which is really good size. All right, it's not too big, not too small. All right, so, but someone my height, it fits good. All right, so you can see, I got plenty of height up here. It could be 6'8", maybe 9 max. 9, I think, is pushing it. Okay. So there you go. There is, I think they call these deluxe balconies, but it's just a regular balcony cabin. All right. Until we see you on the next one, be safe.